Hello, I am Nilankan Kumar, currently pursuing my postgraduate diploma in Industrial Management from National Institute of Industrial Engineering, Mumbai. This video is a part of Principle of Organizational Management course in NEET. Everybody has their own management style. One can be autocratic, then other can be democratic. Some follows the micromanagement, then some believes in relaxed environment. Every style can be followed, but anyone should give a careful thought because it is always better to manage yourself with self-awareness than following anything blindly. In my case, I believe in alternate organizational management, where I focus my attention on helping employees to develop self-confidence, trustworthiness, courage, and hope. However, I also display authenticity by opening myself, being transparent and real while projecting honesty. So the question is, why this management style is as good or as important as others? In my opinion, this management style encourages people to feel comfortable with change and uncertainty. It also influences people to learn continuously and share that learning with others. Most importantly, it helps to build cohesive and produce productive work teams. In 2012, while I was in NSN, there was an outage due to FlexiPacket hybrid, which was really causing trouble to our client Vodafone and my organization OK Siemens Network. These outages were due to technical glitch in newly installed FlexiPacket hybrid equipment. To reduce this, I was asked to team up with GNC fault and configuration management team. But the issue was they were not prolific with this new technology. So after consulting and taking everybody's opinion into account, I decided that we will do as much as service rectification in night because service change can lead to outages which have minimal effect in night. I also arranged a web-based training for these guys in the morning. Web-based training because they were sitting in Chennai and I was in Pune. The result of this coordinated effort was very pleasing as we completed the whole task in 4 days. There have been a lot of articles and discussion on leadership qualities. Some of them are also quite intriguing, but in my opinion, leaders are those people who do not work according to a set process. They choose to make their own path. As Professor Mandi says, that the difference between a leader and a manager is that managers are process oriented, but the leaders are not. However, I believe that in a leader there should be some qualities such as leading by example, by which he or she can motivate and drive others. Integrity and transparency, which is an important aspect to keep the team trusting each other so that they can utilize their time in productive work. A leader should also have courage to take initiative to start any work. Every people dreams. They also have the vision about something. But the leadership is the capacity to translate that vision into reality. As John Maxwell said, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. To summarize this, I will say the definition of a leadership is lifting a person's vision to high heights, the raising of a person's performance to a high standard, and the building up a personality beyond its normal limitation. Regarding the different managerial position, I would say that I have worked with others as well as independently and have been successful in both positions. Some jobs require teamwork to get the things more efficiently while other tasks are individual and can be completed by one person. I tend to do well in team setting because I can relate well with others. I have a professional demeanor and understand what it takes to get the job done. I can help delegate tasks, compromise and fulfill any role on the team that is needed. I am flexible in working independently or on a team as needed by the task at hand. I don't know much about other people, but I would never put myself in a position where I think I would fail. I know I can do this job and succeed. If you tell me why you might think I am not the best person for this job, I am sure that I can address your concern and help you to make a more informed and concrete decision. I am a quick learner and not the kind of person who will take 5 hours to do a job, rather than I am a person who will take 5 hours to do 10 jobs. What I bring to a table is the desire to do it and to do the best of my ability and the ability to do it extremely well. By this, signing off, Nilankan Kumar, NEET. Thank you.